Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle, and I am here with some Dollar General coupon savings you can do any day this week or turn into 5 off 25s for later on Saturday. Up first, we have our cheat sheet ready for you, and this says Saturday, April 26th, but if you were doing something now and you wanted to get to a different total or wanted to find some cheap items, this is a good place to start. It's available to print out for free. I will have that linked in the description box below for you. And the cheat sheet is good when you're shopping on Saturday to help you find a substitution for an item that might be out of stock. So again, that will be linked below. So for $12.75, you can get your True Living paper plates, the plastic cups, the Scott paper towels, and the Scott toilet paper. I did the 350 size of the Scott Comfort Plus because you pay less, but you're going to get more toilet paper in general in the package. This next deal is $6.25. You're going to get your Cascade. Make sure you're scanning, only certain ones attach, your Arm & Hammer, and these Snuggle sheets. Again, that's $6.25. Make sure you scan so you know the coupons are attaching. Then we have $13.95 for 2 of the Gain beads. And on the beads, they're the $9.95 size. Again, always scan to make sure they are attaching. You'll pay $13.95. The $5 coupon that you see here is a coupon that was out previously. So if you still have that, that's how you come down to that low total. And for this one, $15.30 for the Tide and the Downy Rinse. Again, the $155 Tide and the $105 Downy Rinse coupon are older coupons. So if you have not used them, that's where they come in here. I have not used them on my account. So for $15.30, you'll get both those items. This next deal is $13.90, and you're going to get your Gain Flings and the Gain Tango beads. This will be with your 3 off 1 and the 105 off of 1 Gain. That 105 is an older coupon. The 250 coupon as well is there for those beads. And now into some personal care for $6.45. You can get the Axe body wash and an Axe deodorant for $6.45. You could switch it out and do 2 of the body wash and your total will be a little bit less. So on that, keep that in mind there. For $7, you are going to get the Colgate toothbrush you see here. I have it listed because I know it's hard to read. The Colgate toothpaste and 2 of the Fructis shampoo or conditioner. Combine it, mix and match, however you want to do that, and pay $7. Then for $10, you can get 2 of the Garnier Fructis and 2 of the Whole Blends, or if you only need shampoo, get 4 shampoos, 2 of each, and that will be $10. We have another personal care deal coming up, and on this deal is $12 for the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne Patches and 2 of the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Wipes. The Makeup Remover Wipes are $6 each, and the patches are $7.50. So you can see with the coupons you would pay $12. Then a makeup deal for $5.55. This is CoverGirl Clean Foundation. Excuse me, and the CoverGirl Professional 3-in-1 Mascara. So that will be $5.55. And this one here for $23.89, you're going to get 2 of the Always Discreet Incontinence pads. But here's the thing, we have a 7 off 25, you get $7 off your next purchase. So this is going to take off 1 cent. That's why you'll see that the coupon total is $6.01. You're going to pay the $23.89, but you're going to get 7 off $7.01 for your next purchase. And then for $14.50, you can get the Dr. Brown's Good Start Gentle Pro formula, and that would be $14.50. We have a $5 coupon on that. We didn't get any new baby diaper coupons at this point. So now we're going to move into some snack and drink deals. You're going to get 2 Doritos and a mug root beer. That's the 2 liter. You're going to pay $5.75. The Doritos are on sale, 2 for $7, and the root beer is $2.75. This next deal is a Mountain Dew deal. You are going to pay $10.50 for an 18-pack of Mountain Dew and an 8-pack of the Mountain Dew bottles. The bottles are, I believe, the 20-ounce bottles, but they're $6 for the 8-pack and then the $10.50 for the 18-pack. And that brings us to the end of our any day deals. You can turn these into 5 off 25s for later in the week if you prefer. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite coupons are for this week. Be sure you're following so that you get notified when we put out new content. And share with your friends so they can save too. Follow us in all the places you see here, including rolloutsavings.com. And I will be back with the next big deal soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.